Hello everybody, jimmyispromo here, back again with another awesome video, and in today's video we will be talking about how you're able to unlock the Galaxy skin on Fortnite from your Samsung Galaxy devices. Now as of right now, you are able to unlock the Galaxy skin on two different devices, which is the Tab S4 as well as the Galaxy Note 9. But I have a feeling that Samsung will probably expand that list by a few more phones in the coming weeks, easily, such as the Galaxy S9, S9 Plus, and hopefully the Galaxy Note 8. Now, if you did pre-order the Galaxy Note 9 and you're curious on redeeming your V-Bucks, I will have a link below the video inside the description that is linking you over to CNET because they did a fantastic job of their step-by-step of the process. So now, unlocking the Galaxy skin is actually super easy to do on your Samsung Galaxy devices. Now, first off, what I will show you is that you want to head over and you download the game correctly, which is inside of the game launcher. Now, if you don't have the game launcher where you're able to see the icon of Fortnite, you want to pull down the notifications panel. This is where you're going to click on the settings icon. Go inside of the advanced features, and then you go inside of games. This is how you unlock the game launcher. Now, once the game launcher is unlocked, you will see an icon that does say Fortnite, or you might even see a banner on the bottom of the phone that says Fortnite, or if you swipe up, you'll be able to find Fortnite in this area as well. Now again, this is all coming from Samsung. This is not the Play Store. Now, once you have downloaded the game and you've logged in with your Epic Games account and everything else, then you go into 3 different matches. Now, it does not matter if you win or if you lose. The main thing is that you have to be eliminated from the game, or you have to win the game. So you can't just go into the game and then quit and then go back into the lobby, go back into another game, quit, go back into the lobby, and then do it again. You actually have to be eliminated or win the game. Now, once you are done with all 3 matches of playing the game, what will happen is you could possibly get a notification stating that you have unlocked a package, which is going to be the Galaxy skin. That could be within a couple hours, or Samsung states that you'll get it within 48 or 24 hours. Now for me, I don't know how long it took. I don't know exactly how many games I've played. So I don't know if it was a couple hours or if it was 24 or 48. But what I did see was, which I did take a screenshot of, is going to be this icon right here, which says, "Congratulations, here is your reward from the Samsung Galaxy promotion." And it just stated that I unlocked the Galaxy skin, and then I hit on close. And then what you do is you'll head back over into the game. And I guess, you know what, before I kind of show you where it is at inside of your little locker, I might as well just go inside of this game here and show you a little bit of what the gameplay does kind of look like with the skin. So this is what he looks like. You know, it looks like a whole bunch of different galaxies kind of around his whole entire body. So this is actually super fun and super cool. So let's just kind of go inside of here and let's kind of make him dance a little bit. So I am getting shot. So this is exactly what you want to do. Pop into a game. Who cares if you die instantly? Just go through 3 different matches and get eliminated. And then this way you head back over into the lobby, which I'll show you that here in just 1 second. And then I'm going to show you exactly how you're able to outfit him with his brand new skin. All right, well, it looks like nobody wants to kill me. Come on, playa. Don't just look at me. Come on. Oh, you like my skin, don't you? Yeah, I got a pretty good skin. Ow. Okay. So now that I'm finally eliminated, you're going to head back over into the lobby. Now, once inside the lobby, you will head over into your little locker, and then you should see something within one of these different areas of those little squares. Now, initially when this thing got unlocked and sent over to me, I was not able to see the icon instantly. I kind of clicked on one of these different little boxes to try to see if it was inside of there, and it was inside of this very first one right here. And that is how you're able to equip yourself with the skin. So again, all the steps, super fast, is going to be download the game properly, head over into 3 different matches. You have to be eliminated or win. You're not able to just jump in for about a second or 2 and get out. It does not count. You have to be eliminated or win the game, doesn't matter what it is. After the 3 matches within 24 or 48 hours, you will be able to be sent a little notifications letting you know that you have received a package that is containing your Galaxy skin. But again, some people have noticed that it was within a few hours. So outside of that, I hope that you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit on subscribe if you have not subscribed already. You can hit this red circle right over here on the very bottom left-hand side. Subscribe that way. Share this video with your friends and family and social media sites. And outside of that, I'll see you guys later.